Here, I'll walk you through each step of building a real digital product business using only ChatGPT. I'll give you the exact prompts you need to use so you can literally follow along and get your first product live. Just in under 7 minutes, you'll know how to repeat the method over and over so you can build a full library of products that people actually want to buy. Step 1. Choose a strong idea. Open ChatGPT and start by typing this exact prompt. Give me 10 digital product ideas targeted at remote workers that solve common productivity problems. Wait for the results and read each idea. Don't rush. Look at the problem behind each idea. If ChatGPT gives you something like daily focus planner or remote work productivity template, pause and think, what problem does that solve? In most cases, remote workers struggle with distractions and time management. There's your confirmation that a digital daily planner is a solid place to start. Step 2. Validate the idea. Now type this into ChatGPT. Analyze the demand for a digital daily planner designed specifically for remote workers. List 3 current reasons why this product would sell right now. When ChatGPT gives you the reasons, read them and make sure it makes sense. You'll normally get a response mentioning the rise in remote work and the need for practical self-management tools. That's enough to validate the idea. So now we move to the next step. Step 3. Generate an outline. We're not jumping into design yet. We need a strong structure. Type this into ChatGPT. Create a detailed outline for a digital daily planner for remote workers. Include a section for morning planning, a section for listing key tasks, a section for break reminders, and a section for end-of-day reflection. When ChatGPT responds, read through the outline. You're looking for a flow that starts with intention and ends with reflection. If ChatGPT gives you a few section labels but not a full structure, just ask this. Expand each section of the outline so that it includes specific fields the user will fill in. Take a quick break to read what you get back. You'll probably see fields like today's top 3 priorities or break timer field. That's good. Now we can move forward. Step 4. Create the content. Now, you need to tell ChatGPT to write the text that will go inside each section. Type this. Write the full content for each section of the digital daily planner, including short instructions for the user in each section. Keep the tone friendly and professional. Once ChatGPT gives you the content, read through it and check for tone. If it feels a little robotic, then type. Rewrite the content using a friendly conversational tone that is easy to understand for a general audience. Step 5. Generate a basic layout. Now that the content is ready, you'll need a basic layout. Type this. Suggest a logical layout structure for the digital daily planner that can be used both as a printable PDF and as a digital file. Describe where each section you created should be placed on the page. When ChatGPT gives you a few layout ideas, pick the one that makes the most sense. For example, if ChatGPT suggests putting the priorities at the top and the task list right under it, that's a logical sequence, because the user sees what matters first before diving into the task details. Step 6. Format the content. You now need exact layout dimensions so the design doesn't look like a guessing game. Type. Provide a clear table layout with approximate row and column sizes for the digital daily planner. Use percentages for each section. This is important because it gives you a structure you can follow when building the planner in a document editor like Google Docs. ChatGPT might say something like 10% for the top header, 70% for the task area, and 20% for the reflection section. Use those exact proportions when you build the table. Don't worry if you've never done that before. In Google Docs, just insert a table with 3 rows and adjust the heights according to the percentages. Drag the lines until it feels close. Now copy the content from ChatGPT into the table. You'll see everything taking shape. If any section looks cramped, simply ask ChatGPT. Rewrite the content for the task list section so it fits into a smaller box while remaining clear. Replace the old text with the shorter version. Step 7. Add key sections. Next, you need a short introduction page to give the product a more complete feel. Prompt ChatGPT with this. Write a 1-paragraph introduction that tells the user how to use the planner and why it helps remote workers stay productive. Copy that paragraph and place it on a new page in your document. Then you need a proper title. Type, give me 3 professional title options for this digital daily planner for remote workers. Pick one that feels direct and clear. For example, Remote Worker Daily Focus Planner is simple and clear. Add that to the first page in a larger font. Now you've got your cover page and your product page. Step 8. Design. Before exporting the file, you want to make sure the design looks clean. Ask ChatGPT this. Suggest a minimal and professional font combination and a light color scheme that will still look good when printed in black and white. Use the font and color advice directly in your document. If ChatGPT says use Arial for headings and Roboto for body text, just follow that exactly. Keep everything left aligned and make sure there's enough spacing. If ChatGPT suggests light gray for the table lines, use the lightest gray in your document editor so the lines don't overpower the text. Once you've made these changes, export the file as a PDF. That's your finished product file. Step 9. Launch. Now we move to the launch phase. You'll need a product listing. Ask ChatGPT. Write a product listing description for Etsy for a digital daily planner designed for remote workers. Mention the benefits and the key features in a friendly and professional tone. Copy the description into your Etsy listing. Then type, "Give me 5 search tags for Etsy that will help people find this digital daily planner." Add those tags to the Etsy listing as well. You don't need to write anything else at this stage. Etsy does most of its work using keywords, so you want to make sure the words remote worker and digital planner appear naturally in your title and description. That will already increase your discoverability. Next, you need a post-purchase message for buyers. In ChatGPT, type, "Write a short thank you message I can send to buyers after they download the digital daily planner." Keep it friendly and personal. Copy that and add it to your Etsy settings under automated messages. Then type, "Write a short follow-up message I can send 3 days after purchase, asking gently for feedback and a review if they enjoyed the planner." Add that one too. You now have both messages ready to go, and you won't need to manually send anything after each sale. The product listing is almost complete, but you need an image. Since this is a digital product, it helps to show it in use. Type this into ChatGPT. Write a prompt for a mockup generator that displays the digital daily planner on a laptop screen in a clean home workspace. Copy that prompt and use it in a mockup tool like Canva's free AI mockup generator. Download the mockup image and upload it to your Etsy listing. Your product now looks good and is ready for people to buy. Step 10. Promote. To promote your product, ask ChatGPT to write a short script for a 30-second promotional video that highlights how the digital daily planner helps remote workers stay focused and organized. Use a friendly and relatable tone. You can then use a screen recording tool to record yourself scrolling through the planner while reading the script. Upload that video to your Etsy listing or post it on social media. You don't need fancy editing. A screen recording that clearly shows how the planner works is enough. People want to see how it works more than how it dances across the screen. For daily promotion, you'll need social media posts. Prompt ChatGPT with this. Write 7 short social media posts that promote the digital daily planner. Each post should focus on a different benefit and end with a friendly call to action. Schedule those posts across 7 days on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, or Threads. Each post keeps your product in front of people and reminds them that you're offering an actual solution to their daily problem. Step 11. Grow and scale. When sales start to come in consistently, you can scale by using the exact same content creation framework for other niches. For example, replace remote workers with freelance designers or online tutors. You would type, "Give me 10 digital product ideas targeted at freelance designers that solve common productivity problems." Then repeat the whole process. It's predictable and it works. The only thing that changes is the niche. The framework stays the same, which makes it very easy to rinse and repeat. There will always be people saying you need 10 tools and a complicated funnel just to get started. Most of the time, that's a distraction. Start lean with ChatGPT. It's more than enough to get a real product out there and start making sales. Once you prove that your product sells, you can decide if you want to add other tools. But by then, you'll be making decisions from a clear place rather than from pressure or hype. What type of digital product business are you thinking of creating with ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.